how to hide these liked reels and videos from your friend on Instagram. So if you don't want to show your liked videos to your friends, so for this setting we have to go to our profile. Yeah, just see here, just tap on profile. After that, go to three dots, click on three dots. After that, scroll down this section, you will see activity tab here. Just click on it. See who can see your likes and comments on reels in the front tab. So just click on no one, so no one can see your activity tab. After that, no one can see your liked videos or comments on reels, so you can watch and like videos easily like this. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.